art is always subjective, isn't it? So who's to say that we shouldn't use AI to create with? Not have it create for us, but create with it. There is a difference, a big difference in that mentality. AI can be a tool in that way. Think of it as a creative partner. Like maybe you in particular, you watching this right now, are a great writer, but you can't draw worth a damn. And you want to see what you've created illustrated. Well, that's exactly what AI can do for you. And if you spend your time like really letting it get to know you and your stories and your ideas and what you vibe with in particular, it will and can act as the perfect writing partner. It will get to know the nuances of your personality and your flavors and what kind of stories you're interested in and what you like and your wording and your style, that it'll begin to feel like it's coming from you directly, with some nuance, of course. It's not perfect, but it's a lot faster than perhaps working with another writer, a human writer. Of course, if you have a human collaborator, that's great, it's superb. There is something to be said about that collaboration, but who's to say that that human collaborator hasn't trained an AI on your art, your likes and dislikes, and now they're just writing with it? Why don't you do it for yourself? You can. You don't have to. Nobody's pointing a gun at you and making you do it. You get to do it for yourself. You always get to choose when to do it, how to do it, why to do it. Hell, it's not or, it's and. Meaning you don't have to do it every single time. Some projects, maybe they're too complicated, too big, or you need it fast or something, and you can do it with an AI. Other projects, maybe you found the perfect human collaborator, somebody you want to work with. Well, that can work too. It always depends. And notice I said human collaborator because that's the way I see AI. AI can be a collaborator. It can be a tool. It can act like a paintbrush in the same way, or it can act like a blank canvas, but it has a bunch of intelligence behind it. Right? So imagine that. Just a lot of intelligence on that blank piece of paper, and it can write back to you. It can write something with you. You can always go back and fix it and change it. And honestly, I've done it so many times at this point, it's never perfect. There's always changes that can be made. It doesn't fully see your vision. Maybe because you're not great at prompting AI yet, you're not great at talking to it. It doesn't know you deeply. It doesn't know you well. The more context you give, the better. And quite often, art is about self-expression, is it not? It's about expressing what you like and dislike. It's about letting out your emotions and your creativity and expressing that. And so if you take that thought process and those abilities and skill sets and you apply them to AI, you can get very similar results. You can get incredibly nuanced results that are based on you. They're based on you. You can consider it a first draft, a second draft. You can consider it a blueprint. You can consider it ideas. You know, maybe you're just bouncing back and forth and it comes up with something great. You can always copy paste and like rewrite it if you want to. But I promise you that the more it gets to know you and the more you get to know it, that it will resemble you and express things for you in a way you may have never seen. So I say, people say that AI doesn't have heart and soul. I say, put your heart and soul into it.